Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this MATLAB tutorial, today we are going to look at lesson 15, getting input from the user. Getting input from the user. In this title, today we are going to look at the topic user input vector. User input vector. MATLAB allows to ask the user to input a vector. You can do this with the help of input command. Have a look at this command. A is equal to input, enter the given vector. What this command will do is, after executing this command, the text enter the given vector will be displayed on the screen. After pressing enter, the following text, enter the given vector, will be displayed on the screen. And wait for the user to enter the vector, then the user can enter the vector. For example, if you want to enter the vector 12, 34, 56, 78 and 90, then you must enter the vector as within a square bracket type 12 space 34 space 56 space 78 space 90. Now let's see how to write a program in a MATLAB environment. User input vector. Have a look at this program. Percentage program for user input vector. This is a command line. This command helps the user to understand what the program will do. Disp enter your vector as 12, 13, 16, 32, 56 semicolon. So this command will do what is the text enter your vector as 12, 13, 16, 32, 56 will be displayed on the screen. And then the command A is equal to input, enter the given vector. This command what will do is the text enter the given vector will be displayed on the screen and wait for the user to enter the vector. And then disp of A. This command display the vector A on the command window. To make this coding as a MATLAB program, click the MATLAB shortcut icon in the desktop. Then it will bring you to the installed MATLAB environment. So have a look at the screen. This is the MATLAB environment, what you have, what version you have installed in your system. Now you have successfully launched in the installed version of MATLAB environment. Then click here to create the new script file for writing the coding of your MATLAB program. Then the screen will look like this. So this window is called MATLAB text editor. Here only you can type your coding. So this is the MATLAB text editor. Here you can type your coding. Now we are going to type the coding in the text editor. After typing the coding, the screen will look like this. After typing the coding, click the save icon to save the program. Then the save as dialog box will open. Now a path will open to save your program. Here you can type the file name to save your program. Then click the save button. Here we have typed the file name as vectinput2. Then after pressing enter, the screen will look like this. The MATLAB window will look like this. Have a look at here. This is the file name of your program, what you have given in the path. The untitled has changed as the file name what you have typed in the path. Now click the run button to run the program. Then the program will run in the command window. This is the command window. After pressing the run button, the program will be executed in the command window. So enter the given vector, then you have to enter the vector. Now we have to enter our vector here. Once you have entered the vector, press the enter key. Then the output will look like this in the command window. This is the output. From what we have seen so far, I hope that everyone would have got a clear idea about how to write and run a program in a MATLAB environment. Thank you.